Question number 18. Find the equations of tangent and the normal to the curve 16x square plus 9y square is equal to 145 at the point x1, y1, where x1 is given to be 2 and y1 is greater than 0. Moving to the solution, p x1 y1 is equal to 2y1, which lies on 16x square plus 9y square is equal to 145. Here, putting the value of x as 2 in the above equation, we'll get the value of y1 is equal to plus minus 3. But since it is given in the question that y1 is greater than 0, then we'll take y1 is equal to positive 3. Now we have got the value of both x1 and y1. Now differentiating the above equation with respect to x, we'll get dy by dx is equal to minus 32x upon 18y, that is equal to minus 16x upon 9y. Now the slope of the tangent, that is m, x1 is equal to 2 and y1 equal to 3, will be equal to minus 32 upon 27, and the slope of normal, that is m, x1 equal to 2 and y1 equal to 3 is 27 upon 32. Equation of the tangent is y minus 3 is equal to minus 32 upon 27 x minus 2. Simplifying it further, we'll get the equation as 32x plus 27y minus 145 equal to 0. Then the equation of the normal is, after putting the value of slope of normal into the formula, we'll get y minus 3 equal to 27 upon 32 x minus 2. After simplifying it further, we'll get the equation of normal as 27x minus 32y plus 42, that is equal to 0.